Another day, another tariff threat from President Trump. In his latest post on Truth Social, the U.S. president reiterated to Apple CEO Tim Cook that iPhones sold in America should be manufactured domestically. If that is not the case, a tariff of at least 25% must be paid by Apple to the U.S. The master negotiator is back at playing hardball.
We have Apple, as you know, it's coming in. And I had a little problem with Tim Cook yesterday. I said to Tim, you're my friend. I treated you very good. You're coming in with $500 billion, but now I hear you're building all over India. I don't want you building in India. You can build in India if you want to take care of India, because India is one of the highest tariff nations in the world. It's very hard to sell into India. I said, Tim, look, we've treated you really good. We put up with all the plants that you built in China for years. Now you got to build us. We're not interested in you building in India. India can take care of themselves. They're doing very well. We want you to build here. And they're going to be upping their production in the United States, Apple. So Apple's already in for $500 billion.
Niti Ayog CEO asserted that India remains cost-effective, cheap place to manufacture iPhones. Today, India accounts for nearly 20% of global iPhone production. In fact, in a significant shift, Apple will manufacture the Pro models of the iPhone 17 in India and China simultaneously, a first in the company's history.
Wanting to do manufacturing on a significant scale, the only place you can get cheap labor force on a large scale is now India. So this is inimitable. What is the problem? The problem is all on the supply side.
Meanwhile, the US, home to Apple, ironically, has no smartphone production, though Apple has pledged $500 billion investment in the US over 4 years.
Apple, if they move out of India, they will be in big losses. Because the tariff restrictions or the regulations which are coming up globally are subject to change very frequently. So we firmly believe, as Telecom Equipment Manufacturing Association, Apple will not go out of India.
Experts argue that moving iPhone production to the US could send handset prices soaring to nearly $3,000 apiece, nearly triple the current cost. So why the strong rhetoric from Trump now? Analysts believe this is a classic Trump strategic showmanship.